Hello my friends, it's Danny, and today I am sharing 4 easy, healthy salad recipes with you to help keep you feeling excited and inspired in the kitchen. So whether you want to eat better, lose weight, or simply incorporate more beautiful, delicious vegetables into your diet, salads are always a fantastic option. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Do note that all of the recipes I'm sharing today, I will link down in the description box below so you can grab the recipe and print it out. Now, the first salad that I'm going to share is a strawberry and spinach salad. So I'm going to start by making the salad dressing, which is so easy to do. I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup each extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of raw honey, and then a good fat pinch of salt and black pepper. I'll pop my lid on, shake that up, and set it aside. Then in a nice big bowl, I have 8 ounces of baby spinach along with 1 cup of sliced strawberries. Now to slice the strawberries, I just cut the greens off the top, lay the berry flat side down, and then just slice, and you can do this as thin or as thick as you'd like to. Then I'm gonna take that dressing, give it one more shake, drizzle it right over the greens and the berries, and gently toss this all together. You just want a nice light coating of the dressing on all of the berries and the spinach. And to finish the salad off, I'm going to top it with a 1/4 cup of toasted pecans and a 1/4 cup of crumbled gorgonzola cheese. This is an easy, delicious salad that is simple to make, and it screams summer. And keep in mind that if you didn't have strawberries, any seasonal fruit would do. You could do blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, peaches, plums. They would all be delicious. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and simple green bean tomato salad. So to start, I have 1 pound of green beans that I've washed, trimmed, and cut into 1-inch pieces. I'm going to transfer them into a steamer basket and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes or until they are nice, bright, vibrant green with a bit of an al dente bite to it. You don't want to let them get too soft. Now, the secret to getting the green beans just right is once you've got them where you want them, transfer them into an ice bath. This is going to shock the green beans, it stops the cooking process, and it helps them retain that bright, beautiful green color. Now for the salad dressing, again, this is so simple. I just start with 2 tablespoons of diced red onion. That's going to add a great texture to the dressing. 1 clove of crushed garlic, then a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Give it a fat pinch of salt and black pepper. Pop on the lid, shake that up, and the dressing is ready to go. Then in a nice big bowl, I have my blanched green beans, and to that I am adding 1.5 cups of quartered tomatoes, and then just for a little creamy, tangy texture, a little bit of feta cheese as well. A handful of fresh chopped basil. This is like such a garden fresh salad. I'll drizzle my dressing over the top, and then again, gently toss this all together. This salad is a great side dish, but it's also lovely as a main meal. I would just add some hard-boiled eggs or some type of leftover protein to bump it up from a side dish to a main dish. The next salad I'm going to show you is a crunchy romaine, dill, and mint salad. This is one of my favorite go-to salads in the summer, and I'm telling you, every single time I make it, I get asked for the recipe. So again, I'm going to start with my salad dressing. I have 1 clove of crushed garlic, along with a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Then I just add a teaspoon of honey to round the flavors out a bit. This is a super bright, fresh dressing, and give it a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Pop on the lid, give it a good shake, set that aside. You're going to notice that not only are these salads extremely simple, but the dressings are as well. So just a little side note to self, you do not have to take a lot of time or get really fancy to make great tasting, delicious, nutritious foods. So the base of this salad uses fresh romaine lettuce. I have 2 hearts here. I'm just going to trim off the bottom, slice them in half lengthwise, and then cut them nice and thin. Romaine is a really fresh, crunchy lettuce, so I love using it in this salad. Then I have some fresh herbs. I have a 1/2 cup each of fresh chopped mint, fresh chopped dill, and then I have thinly sliced scallions. Now remember, you can use both the white and the green parts of the scallion as long as they are nice and fresh and crunchy like mine are here. And then we'll just drizzle the dressing right over the top. Gently toss everything together and you will have just made the most simple, the most delicious, bright and beautiful romaine and herb salad. For my fourth and final salad, I'm making a cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. This one, just like the green bean salad, is perfect for those of you who are looking for a non-lettuce salad. And yes, you guessed it, we are going to start by making the salad dressing. So I have 1 clove of crushed garlic. Make sure it's a nice big fat clove, otherwise you might want to use 2. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and then a fat pinch of salt and black pepper. Remember, whenever you're seasoning your salad dressings, you want to be generous because this is what's going to season the entire salad, right? The entire bowl of vegetables is going to be seasoned by this dressing, so be generous. Then I'm going to chop up 2 large cucumbers. Now, I like using these English cucumbers because they don't have any seeds and they're nice and crisp and crunchy, but really any cucumber will do the job. You're going to need about 6 cups total. And 3 cups of cherry tomatoes that I'm going to slice in half. And then I'm going to slice some red onion. You just want to get them as thin as you can. Adds great texture and flavor. So then into a nice big bowl, I've got all of my cucumbers. I'm going to add in those tomatoes and the thinly sliced red onion. And then I'm going to add some creamy, tangy feta cheese. This is of course optional. And if you wanted to keep this salad dairy-free, but you still want that rich, buttery flavor and texture, try swapping in some Kalamata olives for the feta cheese. Such a delicious swap. And then we'll just drizzle the dressing right over the top. I'm going to gently toss this all together. I'm keeping this salad nice and easy, but keep in mind any fresh herbs would elevate this salad as well. So a little bit of fresh oregano or basil, they would both be delicious. It's so crunchy, it's so bright, it's so simple, and honestly, all 4 of these salads just scream summer. And so I cannot wait to hear which one you think you're going to try first. Come on down to the description box below and let me know. And if you have not already, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dani Spies, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers!